nice. Conti.
Continental boat. Fancy.
Courtesy of Halfords via
Eurocar parts. Now I've got to try and hold it. What a twat. And it has got to come off.
Shall I get gloves on and I can hold it both sides?
Yeah, if you could. Like a push bike. Are you ready? Yep. Bloody hell. See, the sensible thing would have been to loosen these first. Very strong.
That's a workout.
Fortunately, that's just one. Still my favourite. My wife said to me yesterday when I said that, what she said, asking what we were doing. I said, I'm doing timing belt. I says it shouldn't take long. And she says it will. I says it's a Volvo. And she went, oh yeah, good point. He said just the timing cover alone has got 3 different sizes of bolts. Obviously, depending on what angle you're at, it might look like it's out of time, but I can assure you it's right. Tells you how to strip the engine down and the alternator, but it says that you've got to take it to a specialist to change the oil.
What can't I find? Timing belt. Water pump pulley. Water pump. Radiator.
2 hours later.
Who needs a
It's not even really that cracked.
Like his donut.
Oh, you literally just pull it.
So we can just slide the belt off.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
That's probably as small as it gets. Is that?
It's a masonry bit, it might not do it.
I mean, I've got wood if you prefer.
Taking a chunk out of my foot.
Are you alright?
No, I will be off work tomorrow.
Okay. Fancy it's bank holiday.
Oh yeah. Shit. Right, it's going to be somewhat tricky because that spring is taut.
How does it go? So where's it got to go?
So you see that hole?
Yeah.
It's got to go in there.
Oh shit. Let me just try and push it in.
Best not point it towards Oscar. Straight through the side of the car. There's got to be an easier way of doing this, surely.
Have a look. Can I squeeze it?
Yeah, by all means.
I want to feel it.
Knock yourself out, sir.
Okay, you got the drill bit.
Oh, have you done it?
Yeah.
Fuck, mate.
I've got very strong hands.
Bet you have. Oh, push it. Oh, a little bit more. Oh, yeah. Well done, sir. Something you could do.
I don't know if this has a torque set, I don't think it does.
Okay, FT then.
Just do FT.
Yep. FT it is.
Love it.
That's FT. I'm just going to use some Bulldog BDX on the tensioners just to make life a little bit easier. Bulldog BDX, you know. Product placement. Come on, guys.
Sponsor us.
Sponsors it. I'll just put that there.
What is that for?
Is it a laminate cover?
I don't know.
Is it sticky?
I mean, it doesn't show. It just shows you to. Oh yeah. Right, Liam's got the belt on. And we're just going to go in Oscar now. Get a couple of new belts. Might as well do it all while we're there. So we're now putting new belts in.
Can't be right. It's not long enough.
It's not right.
No, the belt's right.
We're not right.
We're not right. Are you? No, when the engine moves, that's tight.
Okay.
Yeah. A Lego brick.
Because he's a brick.
Brilliant. Lego. Fingers crossed, everyone.
Stand back.
I won't stand in line of the belts.
Go.
I assure you this has not been done for camera. They're all loose. Much harder. So.
Look at this bad boy.
Oh my god! Clearly, it's had an air filter done recently because that's beautiful.
Look at that. I'll get the Hoover in there as well because it's full of crap.
This poor car. I mean, it gives you a bit of an insight as to how well built these cars are. Because,
Hey, you know what? This Hoover was bought in '95 when this car was made.
was it?
Yeah. So we're going to use our 1995 Kirby G4.
Is that the legendary Kirby?
It is. I've hoovered garage floors with that. Currently have a sill wedged on my chest.
Yeah.
And we're about to see some gorgeous oil.
Oh, look at that tail underneath it.
I've just thrown a trace and where I thought it might be. It's not too far off, isn't it? Look. This is the old fella. Looking great. It's all rusty.
God, it comes out with some pressure, this stuff. We'll go BDX. Well. Oh God, fuel everywhere.
I've ordered one of these fresh air pipes, but this one's been severely bodged, so that should go on there. And it's gross. So that's not coming for another 4 to 6 weeks, so we're going to try and do a more professional bodge of the pipe by removing it, sort that bit out if we can, where that connects to.
That's not how you do it. The smell is fabulous. So it's a bit like welding, really. What was you doing? Well, all I'm doing here is tacking it. It's not it's not a pretty job.
Yeah.
But it'll be better than gaffer tape. See, when you're doing this, if you start taking too much plastic away, you can just start adding tie wraps and use them like a filler rod, like you do with welding.
Yeah. Look at that coolant. It smells like putty.
Yeah.
Remember like the putty you used to put on old wooden windows? It smells like that. Look at it, it's horrible.
Factory fresh. Look at that.
Right, while that's draining, Liam's just finished his welding. Look at that. So all that gaffer tape that was on there is now gone. That bit's holding nice and strong. An absolutely amazing bodge. Congratulations, sir.
Yeah. When it comes to two bits of plastic, melt it together and Bob's your uncle. I say it's not perfect.
Whoa. Right guys, that's the service done, so it wasn't too bad at all. We started at 9 o'clock and we finished about 1:30ish. That included changing the timing belt, all the other belts we swapped out as well, so I didn't actually have those, but we just went down to my local car park shop and picked up the belts, so thought while they're off we might as well change them, so that's all done. Just a bit of peace of mind really, driving the old boy around now, know that that's all taken care of. We've got new spark plugs in, oil change, new oil filter, the old one was really crusty like I showed you. Air filters in, again that was pretty gross, looked like it hadn't been done for a while. Fuel filters on, so Liam spent a bit of time under the car getting that off, getting it to seal up and sorted, so that's done. Really now I think what we probably just need to do on it is the front brakes definitely need doing. The disc on the driver's side is horrendous, so it's like wavy when you touch it. So that needs doing, needs pads at the front. Backs look alright, so they're probably going to be good for a while longer. And then under the bonnet, I think it's going to be worthwhile getting a new set of HT leads, a new dizzy cap and a new rotor arm, because there's a little bit of hesitation in there on the startup. And when we were doing the spark plugs, the fourth HT lead, we're trying to get it to connect with the top of the spark plug and it just wouldn't go on properly, it wouldn't connect. Liam's kind of bodged it with some pliers just to get it to actually connect with the top of that spark plug, but I think it's probably going to be worthwhile just to get new leads, and the dizzy cap is cracked anyway, so it'd be nice to replace that. So I think those are going to be the next bits, the dizzy cap, HT leads, rotor arm, and then sort those front brakes out because they are not looking good, and I want to start using this as a daily probably from about July, because the sister-in-law's coming over and she's going to take on my V70 for a couple of months while she's in the country, so yeah, be good to get that sorted. But all in all, a good morning. Massive thanks to Liam for coming over and helping out as well. You know, his technical knowledge is way beyond mine, so doing the timing belts and stuff and learning from him was great, so it's nice just to watch and understand and then help put it all back together. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching, coming along for the journey here with Bricky. If you are enjoying the content, please do consider dropping us a like. It helps with the algorithm, and also if you want to see more content like this, drop a subscribe. And yeah, thanks so much for watching guys, we'll catch you in the next one.